Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to scan a network using nmap on Linux. So first of all we need to go into terminal. So I will press on show apps and press on terminal. And right now, first of all we need to install our nmap because it is not installed by default on Linux. So we have to use the command sudo apt install and nmap. I'm doing it on the Ubuntu distribution, and this command works on Ubuntu distribution and on Debian distribution. If you are using a different Linux, you have to find the command on your own, because this might not work. But the program works the same on every distribution, so that's fine, and I will show you how to use it in a moment. So we have it installed, and now we can use it. First of all, we need to know our IP address. So I will use the command IP space all, and my IP address is right here. It's 10.0.2.15 with subnet mask 24. And first of all, how to scan a single host? We can scan a single host by typing in nmap and IP address. So for example, I will give an example of me. So I will scan my host, so 0 to 15, and press enter. And as you can see, nmap scan report for Ubuntu.PL. As you can see, I have it here, so that's me with this IP address. And as you can see, host is up, so I'm up. And as you can see, 999 includes TCP ports, but I have one open port, which is SSH. As you can see, if I will display sudo systemctl status SSH, as you can see, SSH is active. That's why the port 22 is active right here. We can also, maybe I will clear that, and again show IP address. We can also scan the entire network. In my case, there will be no difference because I'm on the virtual machine and I'm the only one host that is using this network, but you can basically do it, and I will show you how to do it. So nmap, and right now you have to know that the subnet mask basically means that to scan the whole network I have to write something like this, so 02, and this is the number of my host. We can, with the subnet mask, I guess, make 256 hosts, minus 15, but in order to scan the whole network, we have to use the first one, so it is 0, and the subnet mask. So we have to type in something like this, and we are scanning the network right now. And as you can see, as I said before, we have 256 IP addresses and only one host is up, so that's me. In, for example, like a normal environment, you would have a lot of hosts right here, because most of the times there is only the one computer in the network. But that's how we can do it. And right now we can, for example, discover active hosts only. So we can do it by something like this, -sn, and right now again the network IP address, so 20/24. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. In my case, I guess it still wouldn't make a difference because there is no inactive IP host, but you can see we have without the port, state, and service. It's right here. Maybe I will install, for example, Apache 2 for you to make it a little bit nicer, because Apache 2 is a HTTP server and it is using the port 80. So we will see that after the installation, the port 80 will appear right here. So sudo apt install Apache 2. I will press yes, and we have to wait a bit. So it is installed, and right now we can use something like this, nmap 0 to 15, and as you can see, as I said before, HTTP service appeared right here, and everything is working fine. So that means that our nmap is working fine. We can also scan specific ports. So for example, I want to scan the user if he's using the HTTP port, for example. So I will do it right here, nmap -p and the number of the port, so 80, and the IP address, so 0 to 15. And as you can see, only 80, the port number 80 is here, without the port 22. And we can also detect services and versions. So we want to know what version of SSH and what version of Apache the user is using. We can do something like this: nmap -s and big V, and right now the IP address. So something like this. We have to wait again. And as you can see, the version of OpenSSH is 9.6 and the version of Apache is 2.4 to 2.58. So everything is working. We can detect the operating system. So we can use something like this: sudo nmap -o, that means operating system, and the IP address, so 10.0.2.15. Again, it will show the Linux, I guess. As you can see, it is Linux, running Linux version 2.6.x. So everything is working, and you can do the aggressive scan, I guess, because this scan enables basically everything. So operating system, version detection, scripts, and basically everything. So nmap - and big A, and right now the IP address. We have to wait a bit, and you will see that we have a lot of more information about the, for example, this SSH, about this TCP, and everything, systems, device. So you can know basically a lot of things from this nmap tool. And that's basically how you can use nmap on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.